to have to defrost it. I'm going to run it under the running water under the top. So now that I have defrosted my minced beef, I'm going to go to the fire, heat some oil in the pan, heat some cooking oil in the pan, cut up some natural seasoning, add to the oil, add the beef, let the beef spring some water, continue turning. All right. I'm cooking turmeric minced beef. All right, that's what I'm putting in there, turmeric, to give it that nice color and flavor. So I'm going to go to the fire to get the oil started. What I'm going to do now is throw some cooking oil. And this is my grandmother's Dutchie. This is my grandmother Dutch pot. Yes, me have the latest pot, them, but me love use my grandmother things. I love to use my grandma's Dutchie. All right. Yeah, we have non-stick. I have all kind of pots, but me don't like use them. Me love my grandmother Dutchie. All right, me love my grandmother all aluminum pot them. And me love use my coal fire too. I don't have no coal. I don't have no coal now. Going to get some coal. All right. But I'm gonna eat my oil, my cooking oil, and then I'm gonna throw in the seasoning. All right. Yes, people, we're up and running. I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, or what you want me to be. Could you love me for me? Yes, people. So we are cook up some stew beef. A mince beef, yeah, people. We are cook up some mince to them. Mince beef. Alright, Yep. So me I sing song when it belongs to me. YouTube, I don't own the rights to that song that I'm singing. Big up all my subscribers. Big up to all my viewers. Big up to Jamaicans in diaspora. Big up to all Americans, Kenyans, all of Africa, Canada, England, Ghana. Ooh, I can't call all the places. Big up worldwide. Big up everybody. Thanks for tuning in. All right. All right. I have a lot of minced beef here. Oh, I've got a lot. All right. So we're going to lower it down into our oil. Lower it down into the oil. It's a lot. And I am outside in an unfinished building here doing my thing. The breeze is nice. A lovely breeze outside here. I'm just going to incorporate all of this. Meanwhile, I'm turning everything and incorporating all this mince with my seasoning. All right. Yeah, man, you see it spring some water. Yeah. So that water is going to cook it. All right. Incorporate all the seasoning in it. Look at that. Mm. We're going to continue to turn it now and then. Just letting it cook. All right. A lot of mince here. Going to shrink, do you know? Yes, it's going to shrink. All right, it's going to shrink. I am what you want me to be. Will you love me for me? Mhm. My beautiful people, look at the amount of water. And I have not thrown any water in the pot yet. All right, look at that. Lovely. It's bringing its own water. All right, so we're just going to turn that, keep on stirring until all the water dry out of the pot. So that water is cooking it currently right now. Just keep on stirring this. Let it cook. Keep on stirring it. Let it cook. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna stir and incorporate. All right. Stir it in and let it cook. Stir it in and let it cook. See that amount of water? And we have not added any water. So we're going to continue incorporating this until that same water dries right out. Yeah, man, it'll cook it and suck out. Cook it and dry out back. All right? I'm going to peel some potatoes and carrots. I have some small ones. I have some small carrots and potatoes. I'm going to peel them. Tomatoes. I'm going to peel them and wash them. Here's my potato peeler. Just draw off the skin. Don't peel it too deep. Just brush it off like this. Yeah. Gently, lightly. All right, I have some small potatoes here. Just brush them off. All right. Just brushing off these potatoes. And people will not gonna believe this. The gas done under the pot. So I'm going to switch to my coal fire. Don't laugh. The gas done for me. What a wicked gas done under it now. Yeah. I now have to switch to my coal fire, get some coal, and finish this meal. That's what the devil stay, man. The devil's just try, when you try to do something positive, the devil just try to stop you in your track. Alright? Devil no want me put out no video. So the devil will try to stop me, alright? So I had to switch to the coal fire, people. Gas done under the pot. Ha ha ha. Don't laugh. Gas done under the pot. And I had to switch to the coal fire. As you can see, the beef cook until the water is drying out. We're going to let that dry out. We're going to cut the vegetables small and add it to it. Seasoning it up with our powder seasoning. Throw some more water and let that cook down. Add our tomatoes. Add some ketchup and let that come right down. Alright, so the water is drying out meanwhile it's cooking the mince. So now that the water is out of the pot, there's no more water in the pot now. We're going to add our carrot, potatoes, powder seasoning, tomato, everything. Incorporate it and throw some water. I'm going to wash wash my carrots and potatoes. Cut them up. Cut them fine. Remember that the beef almost cooked already. Cut them fine. Yeah, cut them small. And add our powder seasoning. Add ketchup for as thickener to thicken it. But you have to let these cook for a while with the beef. Can't cut them too big, alright? It's minced beef. And so it cook really quickly. And so you need to cut these small also. Big up to all who are watching. Where are you watching from? Thank you for tuning in. If you are just watching, we are cooking minced beef. And I'm going to put turmeric in my minced beef to give it some flavoring, alright? Now that that's done, we're going to throw off this water, alright, and add it to the beef. So we're going to stir all of that. Stir our vegetables into our beef. And we've added some water. We're going to cut up our tomatoes. Remember, we had put some seasoning in before. We're going to put our tomatoes. We're going to add some thickener, ketchup, tomato paste. And we're going to put our seasoning. We're going to put all our powder seasoning. And we're also going to put our turmeric to give it color. Add our tomatoes. We're going to add some tomatoes in that. Now we're going to put our powder seasonings. We're going to add our powder seasonings. All right. We'll let that simmer down. Powder seasonings now. Why people are looking things that me have look cool here? Gas done for me. This is garlic powder. Garlic powder. A little garlic. Yeah. All right. So we had cut up garlic in there. We're still putting some garlic in there. We have some mix up jerk. And we're going to put black pepper too. All right. And there's all types of things mixed up in this. Season to the bone, jerk. All kind of stuff mixed up. Yeah. And a little black pepper. And some ketchup. Stir that in for me. Stir it. I'm going to stir that in. Use water in the pot. In there. Don't put too much water in there, alright? There is water in the pot. Turmeric. Now we're going to put some teaspoons of turmeric in there to give us color. So the beef look white. We're going to put some turmeric and let it cook down with the turmeric. Alright? Pull the turmeric pack for me. I don't put any in there yet. Give me some turmeric. Just put turmeric in it. Give me a dry spoon. And put some turmeric in there, people. Turmeric powder. We're gonna stir that in just to give it flavor and color. Lovely. All right, so your beef won't be white. Nice. See it start get color ready. See the color pretty? Look at that. Wow. The smell. So curry mince beef. Mm? It's not curry, it's turmeric, but it give it the same color. All right. Lovely. Curry mince beef, but I'm using turmeric. Look at the color that the turmeric gives to it. See that nice color? Look at that color. Wow. Mm. Oh my, you want to smell this flavor. Mm. Curry beef. Curry mince beef. So washing some rice. As I said before, long grain rice. As I said before, I use this water to throw back on my plants. Good fertilizer for my backyard farming. All right, so we're gonna wash some rice. I'm gonna save this water. Throw it back on your plants. Good for your plants. All right. More water. This is finished, people. This is finished. What you can do now is skim off the beef oil. Yeah, there's a lot of beef oil. You can skim off the beef oil and throw it away. You could have done this from earlier. Still not too late. I have a lot of oil in there. So when I finish, skim off the oil. Yeah, man, beef spring whole heap oil, you know. So I always, but this is finished. Lovely. This is finished, people. Mm. I'm going to enjoy this and the smell, the scent of the turmeric. My God. Yes, people, this is lovely. So you see, I've skimmed off most of the oil, and if you want to remove more, just wait until it's settled like this. I go in the corner and I just skim. Yeah, man, you can remove it if you want, all right? Because what happens is beef spring a lot of oil, all right? But this is lovely. And we're going to have this with some white rice, all right? Mm. I have to taste it right now. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so we have put a little oil in the pot. We've also put salt. All right, and we put some oil. If you don't have any oil, usually we use butter. If you don't have any butter, you can do you can do like me. Just put some oil in there and some salt and cover that down. Let it simmer down. I always use long grain rice. All right, so that's what I'm cooking. It's just nice and fluffy. All right, people, but it's almost dinner time. So our rice is finished, people. Our rice is finished, and now we're gonna have some dinner. All right, we're gonna share some dinner. All right, stay tuned. All right, people, we are share some dinner. I should pass the next microphone. This dead. Come here, sit here. Come here, sit here, sir. Just switch one, give me. Sit over here, sir. One I did. I mean, no, no. That means I'll go add it, cut out. You give me a different microphone there. Yep, we have served some curry mince beef. Mm. Draw in the camera, make you see it more. Wow, stop now. That's enough. Just gravy now. Mm. That's lovely, people. Look at that. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. It's lovely. All right, so this is my Ashley, people. Ashley is going to eat some of my. Mm. And she's a shy girl. Ashley, eat up. Mm. Mm. One pepper, one salt. You right? Show them again. Straight into the mouth. Mm. Curry beef. Curry mince. Mm. Lovely. Subscribe to the channel, people, please. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share the video with someone. All right. Comment. Help me on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. Those who are viewing and not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Also, you can tell me what do you want to see me cook in my next video for you. What else would you like to see me cook that I have not yet cooked for you? All right, give me some ideas. All right. If I can afford it, I will cook it. Suppose you give me a big meal and I can't afford it. Thanks for watching. Yes, this is my wash belly, Ashley. Thanks for watching and see you soon.